Hello friends, listening practice is very important in the development of English fluency. In this video series, I will tell you a story or an essay or a process or an event. You have to perform two activities. First, after listening the video, speak the content in your own words. Second, pay attention to new words, phrases and expressions and use them in your daily spoken English. This will definitely help you in removing your hesitation and developing your English fluency. So let's start today's content. Today I am going to tell you a story. Once upon a time there was a little boy. His name was Sarvan. He was a poor boy. One day he was passing through the forest carrying some wood on his head. Sarvan saw an old man who was very hungry. He wanted to give him some food, but he didn't have any food even for himself. So he continued on his way. Later he saw a deer who was very thirsty. He wanted to give it some water, but he didn't have any water even for himself. So he continued on his way. Then Sarvan saw a man who wanted to make a log hut, but he didn't have any wood. Sarvan asked the man what he needed and gave him some wood. In return, the man gave him some food and water. Now Sarvan went back to the old man and gave him some food, and then he went to the deer and gave it some water. The old man and the deer were very grateful. Sarvan then happily continued on his way. However, one day, while Sarvan was out in the forest gathering wood, he fell down the hill. He was in pain, but he couldn't move, and no one was there to help him. But the old man, whom he had helped before, saw him. He quickly ran to him and checked to see if he was hurt. Sarvan had many wounds on his legs. The deer whom Sarvan had given water to saw his wounds and quickly went to the forest and brought some herbs and gave it to the old man, who made a paste and applied it to Sarvan's wounds. After some days, his wounds were healed. They were all happy that they were able to help each other. They became good friends. Moral: help one another. Thank you.